How to fix slow performance issues after update on Windows. First, you would have to go to your File Explorer. Then on the left side of the tab, you'll be able to see this PC. Now you would have to head to your C drive. From here, you'll see the folder of Windows. Now you would have to look for software distribution. Now double-click on this folder and press Ctrl A. Then go ahead and click Shift and Delete. These are the folders that you no longer need after the update, so you can just go ahead and delete them. You can skip some of these. Once this is done, close the tab. For the second step, you have to go to the search icon, and now you have to go to Run and type in clean mgr. This should now open up the disk cleanup tab, and from the files below you just have to check everything. You can even check the recycle bin if you want to, and then go ahead and click on OK. This is the method for cleaning up all the junk and temporary files on our PC, so just go ahead and click on delete files. After that is done, you again have to go to the search icon and do a right click. From here you have to head to the task manager and then head to the startup tab. Now you have to go to status, and now you have to check which all apps are enabled during startup and which are disabled. Now if you think that you do not need some of the apps during startup, then you can go ahead and disable it. So all you have to do is do a right click on the app that you want to disable and choose disable option from below. But please make sure not to do this with the graphics, audio or security of your PC. Once you are done, you can close the tab. Now for the fourth step, what you have to do is go to the search bar and type in CMD. Now you'll be able to see the command prompt. You have to go there and do a right click and choose the Run as Administrator option. The user account control is going to ask you if you want to make the changes to your device. You just have to go ahead and click on yes. Now in the prompt, what you have to type is sfc space / then scan now. Now click enter, and the scan might take up to 5 to 7 minutes. After that is complete, you can restart your computer. After you've done that, you'll be able to see a huge difference in your PC's functionality. For the final step, you need to go to the search bar and look for troubleshooter settings. From the right side of the tab, you should be able to see additional troubleshooters. You just have to click on it. Now from the list, you'll be able to see Windows Update. You just have to click on it and hit Run the troubleshooter. Now this will detect any problems, especially after Windows Update, and it will fix it for you. After this is complete, just restart your computer and let us know how your computer or PC functions. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.